Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always use this information responsibly and consider the ethical and legal implications before using any such apps. Want to find someone's social media accounts using just their phone number? This video will show you how. In today's digital age, whether you're trying to reconnect with an old friend, a family member, or track down a business contact, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find social media accounts linked to a phone number. We'll explore the best methods and tools to help you in your search. So if you're ready to uncover the secrets of social media tracking, stick with us until the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guru 99. Before we dive in, let's be clear, this video is for ethical and educational purposes only. Please use the information responsibly. Guru 99 does not endorse or promote any unfair practices and is not responsible for any harm caused. Use the information fairly and at your own risk. How to find social media accounts using a phone number. Let's start with people search websites. These platforms help find social media accounts linked to a phone number. Today, we'll walk you through 3 excellent tools: BeenVerified, Spokeo, and Social Catfish. Each offers unique features to simplify your search. Our top pick for this task is BeenVerified. Why? Because it's one of the most trusted platforms for reverse phone lookups and goes far beyond just finding social media accounts. Imagine reconnecting with an old college friend. Simply type their number into BeenVerified and voila! Social media profiles and other details are right at your fingertips. But before we jump into the steps, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Your support really helps us out and allows us to bring more useful content your way. Steps to find social media accounts by phone number using BeenVerified. Now let me show you how you can use BeenVerified to find someone's social media accounts by phone number. Step 1. Go to the BeenVerified website. First, visit the BeenVerified website. You can either scan this QR code on the screen or visit BeenVerified.com using your browser and add any information, such as their name, phone number, or email address. Step 2. It will start searching from public databases to extract the details. Step 3. Pay $1 to unlock a 7-day trial membership to unlock detailed reports. You'll get access to basic and advanced results, including social media profiles. BeenVerified is a comprehensive tool that's perfect for verifying contacts or discovering more about someone. Check the link in the description box to visit BeenVerified.com. Other recommended tools. While BeenVerified is fantastic, it's always good to have alternatives. Let's look at 2 more highly recommended tools for finding social media profiles by phone number: Spokeo and Social Catfish. If you're looking for alternatives, Spokeo is another fantastic option. It's known for its speed, accuracy, and ability to compile data from multiple sources. Here's why you might choose Spokeo. Features: social media accounts. Spokeo helps you find individuals across 120+ social networks, including social media, e-commerce, job sites, gaming platforms, dating apps, and investment platforms. Results with photos. Spokeo provides images along with profiles, helping ensure accuracy when identifying individuals. Email lookup. Easily find the owner of any email address by searching social media, public records, directories, shopping sites, and dating platforms. Spokeo is ideal for situations where you need fast, accurate results, all in an intuitive package. Scan the QR code or check the link in the description box to visit Spokeo.com. Quick reminder, if you're finding this content helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Last but not least, Social Catfish is a robust tool for finding social media accounts and verifying identities. Its extensive directory ensures accurate and up-to-date results. Features: reverse phone lookup. Enter a phone number to uncover associated social media accounts, profiles, and other online information. Comprehensive database. Access a wide range of platforms, ensuring accurate and extensive search results. User-friendly interface. Simple, step-by-step process to quickly retrieve results without technical expertise. Social Catfish provides an intuitive platform for finding social media profiles and verifying identities accurately. Scan the QR code or check the link in the description box to visit socialcatfish.com. And there you have it. Finding social media accounts by phone number is made easy with tools like BeenVerified, Spokeo, and Social Catfish. These platforms simplify the process by cross-referencing public records and online profiles, giving you accurate results. Whether you're reconnecting with someone, verifying identity, or conducting a background check, these tools are efficient and user-friendly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Got a tech topic in mind? Drop it in the comments. Your idea could be our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.